Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video we try to see strong versus weak AI in artificial intelligence. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Before we see the difference between weak and strong AI, let's see the concept of weak AI and strong AI. Weak AI or weak artificial intelligence known as narrow AI, and it is designed to perform a specific task and function instead of general function. It is designed for specific or one or two tasks and function. These AI systems are usually created to solve the particular problem and have limited learning capability, right? It is learning capability is limited or specific, and also it solves only particular or specific problem. Example, weak AI application including voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, chatbot and recommendation system. Especially for Siri and Alexa, it's a voice assistance weak AI application that we have used our day-to-day activity. These systems are trained which system? The system that develop with the support of weak artificial intelligence. So these systems are trained to perform specific tasks and use a pre-programmed rules and algorithm to execute those tasks. Weak AI has already become an integral part of our daily lives. For example, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, as we mentioned on the previous slide, use the natural language processing or NLP and machine learning algorithm to understand and respond or react to our voice commands or instructions. A recommendation system like Netflix and Amazon Analyze are our viewing and purchase history to make personalized recommendation for movies and products, right? Let's see strong AI. Strong AI known as general AI or artificial general intelligence, but weak AI we call it narrow AI. This strong AI designed to be as intelligent as human for reason, learn and make a decision. These AI systems are built to handle complex and open-ended problems instead of specific or particular problems such as creativity and social interaction. Example of strong AI which are self-driving cars and humanoid robots. A strong AI is still a long way for being fully developed or fully deployed. In order to deploy this strong AI, it takes a long time. While there has been a significant advance in the field of AI in the recent years, creating a machine that are truly intelligent remaining a challenge, even if it takes a long time to deploy and it's very expensive, but it's very significant because it's truly intelligence and it handles every challenges that cannot handled by weak AI or narrow AI. Experts believe that strong AI could have a major impact on the society if and when it is developed, right? For example, strong AI used to solve very complex problems like healthcare, climate change, and social inequality autonomously, right? Weak versus strong AI. To see the difference between weak and strong AI, we have seen three parameters. The first one is learning, the second one is decision making, and the third one which are flexibility, right? Let's see learning. Weak AI system rely on pre-programmed rule and algorithm to perform specific tasks, while A strong AI system, instead of pre-programmed rules and algorithms, have the ability to learn and improve through experience. It learns and it improves its experience from day to day. A strong AI can recognize a pattern, make inference or make a reason, and apply what it has learned to a new situation. For example, self-driving car equipped with strong AI can learn to recognize different type of road signs, right? And respond appropriately to them. Machine learning is a key component of strong artificial intelligence, right? Machine learning is one part of artificial intelligence. This machine learning is a backbone to build a system. Machine learning algorithm enable a machine to learn from the data. As the name indicates, machine learning means that teach the machine with an algorithm from data and improve its performance over the time. Deep learning, also a subset of machine learning. It is a type of machine learning that uses neural network. As the name indicates, it teaches the machine deep with a big data. We call it deep learning or deep learning algorithm. This deep learning algorithm is a type of machine learning that uses neural network, has been particularly successful in tasks like image and speech recognition. This image or image processing apply in different fields. It may be human body, it may be from the leaf or any other objects. And speech recognition, after it takes a sound from human being or any other ones, it categorizes, it recognize or translate, and any other ones, right? The second difference between weak and strong AI, which are decision making. Weak AI system make a decision based on a predefined rule and data, while strong AI system can reason and make decision autonomously instead of predefined rule and data. Adapt to change a situation. A strong AI can analyze a data, weight option or measure option, make decision based on its knowledge and experience. For example, a strong AI system designed to manage a power grid can take into account weather forecasting, energy demand, and other factors to make a decision. To make autonomous decision, strong AI system need to be equipped with advanced decision making algorithm. Reinforcing learning or reinforcement learning algorithm, it's one part of machine learning algorithm that really helps to build a strong AI system, right, in order to solve the complex problem or to make a decision in complex environment. The last feature that help to differentiate between weak and strong AI, which are flexibility. Weak AI systems have limited flexibility and can only perform specific tasks. In contrast, a strong AI system can adapt to a new and complex tasks situation. A strong AI can learn new skills and apply them to different contexts, whereas weak AI is designed to perform specific tasks and cannot adapt new tasks without reprogrammed, right, which are the predefined program. Unless otherwise we reprogram it, it cannot adapt a new tasks and it cannot learn. To achieve flexibility, a strong AI system need to be able to reason and understand the context. Natural language processing helps to more flexible and adapt a new situation that the strong AI is used. This is all about the difference between weak and strong AI. If you have any question, please write on the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Bye bye.